Kurumirira gukura gwa teknoloji, muthuri na mutumia no metuire matua ma mwana uria mekwenda kugia, ari wa kahii kana kairitu, mwana umwe ona kana makiria ihinda-ini rimwe. Ni kuhitukira mutaratara wa kugethwo mbegu cia uciari wa IVF, igathathaurwo na kuigwo macini-ini cia kiriu kuria icokaga kuhagikwo nyungu-ini ya mwana ya mutumia.
Specific size when we know that the eggs are ready. Once the eggs are ready, we take the woman for the egg retrieval, meaning we take the eggs out. And then the same day the husband is asked to give the sperms. And we pick up one egg and each egg is fertilized with one sperm.
Kuringana na murigitani Sarita Sakja uria uhigiriire mutaratara-ini uyu, augite ino ni njira imwe iria ikoragwo na uma wa mwana uria urenda.
I would not say it's 100%, but the chances are better to have a normal pregnancy in such cases. So any age group, any couple can go for this.
Sarita atutariirie ugethi wa mbegu ni uteithagiriria gucagura mbegu iria iri na hinya makiria, hamwe na kumenya mbegu iria itari ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni mirimu iria iyumiragia riria mutumia uhete nda.
Once we know that the couple, the husband and wife are carriers, so we can specifically tell the lab that we want to check the embryos for this disease. So they will give us, suppose we have 10 embryos, we get the report for each and every embryo.
Atutariirie thengia na gwicagurira mwana, mbegu cia uciari no igethwo na ikorwo igiikara kwa ihinda ritanyihiire miaka 25 iri macini-ini cia kiriu.
See, everybody wants a healthy child. And so in those cases, we can choose the embryo and we can select that this embryo is free of the cancer genes.
Mutaratara uyu urafatarania muigana wa ciringi 400,000, akenya ingi makioneka kwaga kuuyukia, makiuga uri na goro makiria.
Ndingithii thibitari kunditaimirwo mwana uria ngugia kana ni kahii kana kairitu, tondu nie njitikitie gutire mwana na riana. Koguo ko ni kahii goka na niko Ngai abangite niko ngurera, goka kairitu niko ngurera, no ndingithii thibitari kana ndute ona ciringi ona 5 nigetha heo nditamainirwo mwana uria ngugia.
Ukweli siwezi enda hospitali niambiwe nibadilishiwe mtoto. Mimi najua mtoto anatoka kwa Mungu, mwenye ataniletea ndiye nitakubali.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.